What's good? Another video, real quick. But before we get to the actual unboxing of the video, I know if you've seen the title and you see the thumbnail, you know it's an unboxing. But before we get to the unboxing, I want to give a quick review of the JRL 2020 C, the fade blade. All right. If you see me do the putting the blade on, anyway, I like this blade. Who knew that putting a different blade on this clipper can make it just a tad bit better? Not that the regular blade was a faulty blade or it didn't work. I just wanted to first of all see what a fade blade was like. And I still don't like the coating on this, but this fade blade helps give it a smoother blend. I do wish it was a bit thinner. If y'all can see that. It's not as thin as this Ergo fade blade, which is very thin. This still got the heel. It's not as big of a heel as a taper blade, but it does make the clipper a little bit better in my opinion. If y'all know me, y'all know I like the JRL 2020 Cs. It's one of my top clippers of 2020 C. But the fade blade make it pop out. So if you like the fade blade, if you like the taper blade, I mean, there's nothing wrong with the taper blades. I just like fade blades better. This don't snag. It's very simple to change your blade, put the blade on. It gives a better cut, a smoother cut. I won't say better, but it gives a smooth cut. You get what I'm saying? So if you like the fade blade, I think they're $25, JRLusa.com, and yeah, order your fade blade. I like it. Now, there is something that it does every now and then where this material, again, why I don't like this material, when it cuts off, it kind of squeaks. I don't know if it's not doing it now. Maybe I'll find a video of me doing it and put it in. Either way, great blade. If you need one, JRLusa.com, get your fade blade. What's going on, YouTube? Of course, once you see this, you kind of know what it is, what video it is. Of course, once you see the title, you know what it is. But once you see this angle from Cuts by Reggie, you know what it is, all right? If you like the video, please like the video. If you dislike the video, please dislike the video. Did I say that right? If you like it, like it. If you don't, dislike it. That's fine. Comment on the video, share the video. Please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, we're almost to the 500 subscribers. Once I'm at 450, I'll release a different video, another video on that. But today we have the caliber 357 Magnum Generation 3. Before we get to anything about this, maybe remind me of something. It doesn't yet, but I haven't opened it. This is my first time using the 357. All right, so I don't know what to expect in here. Before I open them, what we got here, got a nice stainless steel blade, got the click lever. Is that the click? No, I think it's floating. Either way, you got the guards all the way up to maybe a 4 LED indicator and nice charging. See what we got. Charging time 3 hours, runs about 4 hours with the full charge. I don't like that about, but got low noise, blah, blah, blah. Got the metal comb, the clips in there. All right, so let's open this up. I like this little barber pole design down here. They got this wrapped in plastic. Let's see if we can get this plastic off real quick. Hope everybody's enjoying their holidays. Thanksgiving just passed. Christmas is upon us. Everybody's trying to get a PlayStation 5, Xbox X Series. Hopefully, if you was looking for one, you was able to get one. I was not. But either way, see the box. They got I don't want to say they got the Gamma opening because they probably did it first. But I bought Gamma first. So they got the Gamma flap opening. All right. Let's see what they say. Let me see if y'all can. Let me see. Lift that up a little bit. Lift that up. You got strong power, 87 RPM, Japanese steel blade, 6 cutting, 6 metal combs. All right, low noise. So it do got the click lever, precise adjustment. All right, so what we got? What is this? What do we have here? Look like some okay, these are the traveling charging adapters. Again, I'm not traveling anywhere, but I do think it's cool that they enter that for, I mean, you know, insert that for people that do. I do like these. It's like the premium from Wall. So I do like that. I might actually use, usually I just go straight to using the Wall guards because that's what I'm used to, but I actually might use those. So you got the half guard, the 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4. All right, so you actually get the half guard all the way up to the 4. So that's not bad. The clipper, but before we get to the clipper, let's see what's extra in here. Got the oil, of course, clipper brush. I never use this clipper brush for actually cleaning the clippers, but before y'all throw these out and don't use them because y'all might use something else, these are very good if you're doing color or anything like on the beards and things of that nature. So before y'all throw those out, give them a try. Let's see what we got under here. Uh-oh. Okay, I see. They got the plates you can change. All right. Charging. Another plate. I'm probably gonna put that black and gold on there. I'm black and gold, baby. Put that black and gold on there. Nice little carrying bag. Okay. Nothing crazy, but nothing bad either. You get what I'm saying? So you do get the 6 guards. It's in there. Uh-oh. No, it's not. I messed something up, didn't I, already? Edit it out. Edit it out. Either way, they don't have a charging dock. So that's one thing I wish was in there. Not a bad feel. I got that plastic everywhere, huh? See if I can get this off without making the video too long. All right. Get that plastic off of there. I do like the feel of that. You hear that click lever? It is tight. Not bad, not good, but it's tight. All right. Black and gold. If they got a matte cover for this, that's what I will put on there, because I mean, to some people the thumbprints might not bother them, but I don't really like the looking at my clipper all the time with the thumbprints, make it seem like dirty or something. All right. Got the same build. I like that. Look at that grip. That little design on the back. All right. Got the same feel as like maybe a Wall clipper with the indentions for your fingers. All right. Got the taper blade on there, stainless steel or Japanese steel. I do like the way that feels. It doesn't feel like cheap. The clipper doesn't feel cheap as of right now. I haven't turned it on. Of course, you got the same charging as. I wonder if a lot of these can hook up to the charging port. I haven't tried it, but you do got the hook there. All right, we got a nice little build clipper. All right, caliber 357 mag, click lever. Not too loud, so I ain't mad at that. LED indicator. I do like that. I do like that at least I have an indicator on there. All right. I like that. This is on there and it only pops up. These are the ergos. It only pops up when it's on the charging dock or when it's about to die. But it's such a faint blinking that you really can't tell sometimes. But that, you got the full light on there. So is that, it got like little dots in there. Maybe it just looked like that, or it could be like when it's fully charged, it's fully blue, but as it died, that would be cool. I haven't used them yet, but that would be a cool feature on the clipper. I would like that. All right. Let's do a sound comparison between, matter of fact, I'm gonna bring my JRLs out too. Just because these are the top clippers to me, not these because I haven't used them, but these are. So let's do like a little sound check. Those are the Magnum. They're on. They're on. So they are louder than the Ergos. And they are louder than the JRL 2020C, but they're still not too loud. They're not like mind-blowingly loud like some other clippers. So still not a nag. All right, I can use it. I can do that. I like this handle rather than just being the regular old black bar or something like that. I do like that. I know the what is it, the 1919s, they got a little something similar, so I like that. All right, so there we are, Caliber 357 Magnum. I do like this design even better than the what clipper from Caliber that I just do. I can't even, the 50 cal. They had the 50 cal mag, and it was just big, bulky writing. I didn't really care for that bulkiness. I do like this design. It's nice, look real professional, elegancy there. So I do like that. All right. So those are the 357 Magnums from Caliber. And we will give these a try. We will be trying these out. If you want me to do a review after my first week of use, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you like the video, please like the video, comment on the video, share the video, and all that extra stuff that comes along with that. I do see right now that I wish that this blade was the fade blade from the 50 cals. I do wish that, but we will use these as is. I'm not against the taper blades. Of course, they're clippers. If you can cut, you can cut. But I do like fade blades better, especially when they don't snag and stuff like that. So all in all, if you want me to do a review after my first week or two of using these, just leave a comment down below, and I will be reviewing the 357 Magnums from Caliber. There we are.